Hey you guys, it is Shirley. Long time no see. I am actually going to vlog today, or try to vlog. I've been out for a little bit on my vlogging game because I have been doing the night shift and I've just been really tired and beat down. But we are going to try today. So today we are just doing a little nature trail. My boyfriend and I, he's ahead of me because I walk too slow. So we are going to walk this. It's maybe almost 5 miles. No, it can't be 5 miles. Maybe 2 miles or so. But we're going to do that. We got to go to Walmart. I got to go to the bank. I have to prep a lot of stuff for the baby shower that I am hosting on Saturday. And then hopefully I can start packing for Disney, which we are super excited about. We leave on Monday. I think we're leaving about 5 o'clock maybe. But yeah, so that is what today is going to bring. So hopefully you will stay tuned and follow me throughout my day. This is where we ended up at. It is very, very peaceful. It's just the bay. It's not the ocean. It's not clear and pretty, but it's very peaceful out here. And if you can see the skyline all the way over there, straight ahead, that's where I work at. So I drive across the bay every single day to work in the city. So very peaceful, but so we're going to head back now. Alright, so we are actually back at the apartment right now. After our walk, we just went to the bank. I had to get some money out, and then we went to Walmart. I just had to pick up a few things, but I will show y'all what I got. But right now, I'm going to take a shower real quick. I'm going to eat lunch because I am starving, and then I have to go pick up cupcakes for the baby shower around 12:30, something like that. And then I need to fix the winner's basket for the games that we're going to be playing at the baby shower. So I'll show you those. And I'm not sure what else we're going to do, but stay tuned though. Alright, so for lunch today, I'm literally just having leftovers. You will see this clip also of what I eat for dinner on Monday. But leftovers was rotisserie chicken that we got at Sam's. And then we cooked up some jasmine rice, sauteed some zucchini and mushroom. So I'm going to eat this. This should hold me over until my boyfriend's niece's birthday party tonight. So I'm just going to eat this, and then I will show you guys the little gift bag prizes that I am putting together and some other fun things. Alright you guys, so I just finished eating lunch, which was pretty good. I mean, I was hungry, but then when I started eating, I was like, I'm not really that hungry. But I was going to show you what I got at Walmart for those gift baskets, and then I'll show you the gift baskets then. But I got some of these cute little like loofahs, because it's like a baby shower, so shower. I just got stuff for like the shower and stuff, like beauty products. But got purple and pink. I got 5 of those. And then the only other thing that I got, these were like 50 cents, these masks. So they are coffee and coconut oil awakening face masks. So these were only 50 cents. They're originally like $2.50, I think. But I got these, and they're all going to go into the basket also. And then last but not least, we needed this for one of the treats, but her theme is elephants. So we got some Nutter Butter. I can't eat these because they have a lot of peanuts in it, and I'll break out. I'm not, like, technically I'm not allergic. I'll just get, like, zits or stuff, I guess. I guess that's allergic. I don't know. But I can't really eat a lot of peanuts. But she wanted Nutter Butters, and we're going to stick, like, those, when you make cake pops, the little white sticks, we're going to stick it right in the middle, and then it'll be something fun and cute and everything. So that is everything that I got at Walmart, and I'm going to go and show y'all the gift baskets that I am putting together for the winners of the games. Alright, so these are the little gift baskets, and this big one that I made. So the small ones are actually for like a scratch off. There's 5 winners, and you literally just scratch it off just like a lottery, and if it says you win, then you win a prize. You win one of these little small little baskets that I made. There's supposed to be 5 winners, and then if you don't win, it'll just say try again or maybe next time or something like that. But in these small little containers, there's this loofah, little mask, and there's different other kind of mask. There's an eye mask, and then some has like makeup, like there's mascara in this one. Let's see what this one has a different mask. And then this one has, I think this is primer. Yeah, lash primer. Let's see. That has some chapstick, but it also has a different other mask also. Let's see, this has like a Tarte foundation sampler, lipstick. So that is for the scratch off winners. So those are going to be pretty cute. They do have lids that come on these, so I'm going to put those on. The next game that we're going to play is, I think, the word scramble game. So this game, only one winner is going to win, and you get this cute little coffee cup, the hand soap, there is some cucumber melon, there is some gang flings, and then this cute little like makeup bag. So that is going to be really, really fun. And then this big one is going to be one winner, and it is how many peanuts are in this container. So I literally have to count how many peanuts are in this bottle. It's going to take a while, but we're going to count this, and whoever gets the closest without going over will win this little bag, which has the first Spider-Man Homecoming movie. It has like some toilet bowl cleaner. It has some body wash, Persil. It has his and her razors, dishwashing detergent, and some liquid dishwashing detergent. So that is everything for the big one. So these are all the little gifts that I will be giving out. So I think it's going to be really, really fun. And mostly all of these like laundry stuff and everything, I've actually got them on clearance, or I couponed them. So I have a lot of stuff in my stockpile that I got rid of. I mean, it's going to take me a while for me to get rid of it, so I might as well share it with everybody else. But yeah, so this is all of the baskets. Now I'm going to show you some of like the DIYs that me and my friend have been making for the party. Alright, so one of the DIYs that my friend and I made are these letter boxes. So I got these boxes from work, so they're like the perfect square boxes. And then she got this wrapping paper off of Amazon or Etsy. I want to say it was Amazon that she got this off. And then we got the letters from Michael's. But we wrapped these. His name is going to be Jackson. We already wrapped 3 of them, but we had to wait on the extra wrapping paper to come in. So I just have 3 of the random letters. But this is what we did. We just wrapped them and hot glued them. So she's going to display these on the table, probably where the cupcakes are. And then she's going to stack them in his room after the party. So I think these are going to be super, super cute. And then the other thing that I actually made is from this crate that I got from Michael's. It was like $12, but you get like 40% off if it's not on sale. And then I got the letters from Michael's also. The spray paint is from Walmart, so I spray painted it white. It's kind of like brownish, kind of, but got that. And then the letters were white, but I spray painted them blue. I hot glued them. I really have to, I think this is coming off, so I have to re-glue this. And I think this came off, so I have to re-glue that. But no big deal. We're going to use this. She wants people to bring a book with like a little letter or a little note in the book about like advice, or a letter addressing the baby and everything. So I thought that was going to be really cute. So this is what I did. So I'm pretty proud of myself for this DIY. But yeah, so we got that, and we got this, and then we got the baskets that I made. So it should be a really, really, really good party. So I'm actually going to go and pick up the cupcakes now, and then come home and probably film some videos. But I will update you guys later. So I'm back at the house, and I picked up the little cupcake cake, and it turned out really, really good. It is half chocolate, half vanilla cupcakes with buttercream icings in shape of a elephant. I thought it turned out really good. It smells really good. Now I just have to keep it the same till tomorrow, and I gotta drive an hour and a half with this. So kind of freaking out about it because it's like 90 degrees outside, so hopefully we'll make it. But yeah, so I'm going to put this in the fridge, and then I think I'm going to be filming my sinking fund videos and my cash envelope. So busy day before I go to my niece's birthday party.
Happy birthday to you. Love heart. Good job. High five. This big girl. At 3.
Hey guys, so it's actually the next day, and I forgot to end the vlog, but we had a great birthday party for Jared's niece. She loved everything that she had. She is a princess. That was her theme. But she had a good day or night. And then the baby shower, I just got back maybe, I don't know, 4 hours ago or something like that. So I've actually been trying to pack for Disney. But the baby shower was a success. We had way too much food. I always overestimate that. But the decoration turned out really good. A lot of people showed up and came to support and celebrate Jackson and my friend. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on in the vlog here and let y'all know that I will be trying to vlog Disney when I go there. But I'm actually going to be doing a video of what I pack for Disney also, so make sure you go and check that out. I'm pretty sure it's going to be uploaded after this video sometime, so go ahead and click that also. But anyways, I will see you guys later. Bye.